Hey guys, I'm gonna sound sleepy because I just woke up, so don't come for me. But today we are going to be doing a brow pencil review. I haven't been disappointed by a UOMA Beauty product yet, so let's do this. But first, subscribe at the button down below and make sure you like this video if you like this video at any point in the video, and turn on the notification bell if you don't want to miss another video. I'm going to get my nails done, so like, yeah, don't mind these. Okay, so today I did buy this with my own money. I'm not in the PR list. I have worked with, I kind of worked with UOMA, but it was through Ulta Beauty. One time for Beauty Sparked, and it was a sponsored post, and I love their products, so I was like, let me try this brow pencil because eyebrows is like one of my favorite things to do. So we're gonna try this one, and the name of this one is so adorable. It's called the FRO Baby Hair Brow Pencil. That is like so cute. My hair looks funny today. So this is the box. Very retro, I feel like. It has a really nice feel to it. FRO, FRO. And the shade I had got was 05. And it says on the back of this pencil, it says baby hair. It says baby hair. This finely tipped pencil uses micro thin strokes to create a definition and natural finish that says I'm real. That's the way I like. So that's what the back of the box says. This is the pencil. Very, 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 very thin, very lightweight. I love this spoolie. It's very, very small. It's not as long as the Benefit one. Look how small this tip is, y'all. Let me get closer. Look how tiny this tip is. Like, I'm just like, wow. So let's get into do my brows. So we're just gonna do my brows. I'm gonna do this one for you guys because I'm gonna do this one for Instagram video. You know the drill. If you don't, welcome to the drill. So we're gonna do this one. I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit closer. Okay, so this brow be struggling, so we gonna do it together. I'm nervous. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I know I have to pull it because I have scars there, so don't pull your eyebrow, but I have to. Oh my goodness. This is really creamy. It's much creamier than I thought it was gonna be. Wow, that looks really natural. Okay, I need to. Okay, so this, I like it so far. My hard part is the top of the brow. This is actually really easy to use. Y'all, this is beautiful. Like, let me look at it up close. I was doing my brow in like the regular mirror. I need a zoomed in mirror. Y'all, this was so precise. Ooh, I like it. I like it. I like the color too. The color is it's not too dark. It's very natural. This is the color, I said 05, right? It doesn't have it on the brow pencil. It doesn't. So I have to make a mental note of what this brow shade is. Oh, it's on the lid. 05. Now we're just gonna, oh, my stomach growling. I need Chick-fil-A and Starbucks, y'all. So bad. Y'all, that looks so natural. Like, I know I do the Instagram brows, kind of, like, because I don't have no tail on this brow. So it's like, I ain't got no choice. Like, that's what I'm comfortable with. But y'all, this brow, oh my goodness. Okay, in the front, let's do the hair strokes. Ooh. I love this pencil. It's up there with Precisely My Brow, y'all. That is my favorite pencil. I like this spoolie too. It's really stiff, so it like grabs onto your brow hairs really well. So if you have bushy brows, this would be perfect. This pencil would be perfect if you have sparse brows. You can get like, you know, like I feel like my brow, I know it's filled in, but I feel like it looks very like hairy. Like, I don't know how to describe it. Y'all love when I say it's hairy because that last video, y'all cracked up laughing. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other brow off camera, carve out my brows, and we'll come back with a synopsis of this brow pencil. Okay, so here are the finished brows. I'm obsessed. These look so rude. These look so like natural, but also they look fire. Like, they look so structured. I'm obsessed. This brow pencil, I believe, is on sale right now at UOMA Beauty. I mean, at Ulta. I got it on sale. I don't know if you can, but it's worth the price, honestly. I really like UOMA Beauty's makeup, and I really want their contour stick, so that's the next thing on my list from them. So yeah, let me know if you tried anything from UOMA Beauty. Let me know if you need me to, like, you know, review anything. I've tried their foundation, their concealer, some eyeshadows, and some eyeliner, I believe, maybe. I can't remember, but every single one of them were bombs, so I like these. So be sure to subscribe, because I can tell you half of y'all don't subscribe because of the fact that I can see who is watching that's subscribed to my videos and who is not watching. I mean, not subscribed that's watching my videos. Come on, y'all, subscribe to me. I'm trying. So definitely subscribe to me, like this video if you liked it, and leave a comment down below and let me know if you tried this pencil or anything from UOMA Beauty, or what products you want me to try next. And I will see you in my next video.